Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm at a High Winds Casino today. I'm going to be playing Lightning Link Magic Pearl. And it's got a maxed out major up there. Man, that'd be awesome to bring that down. We're going to start on the 10-cent denom. We're going to be doing 250 spins. We need 6 of those pearls or 3 of those dolphins right there to trigger free games. There we go. Those mermaids are wild. We got $10 back on that spin. Come on, 2 more. 2 more. Oh, we're 1 away, guys. Come on, 2 more dolphins. Definitely want to thank High Winds for their support in the slot community. The channels that come out here and record get so much support from High Winds, and we appreciate it very much. I've met a lot of nice folks through this casino. Come on, Pearl. Give us a bonus. Come on, 2 more dolphins. Come on, there we go, some ladies. $8.50 back. Oh, we got some wilds. $12.50 back on that one. Oh, come on, 2 more. Guys, we're going to have to fast up a couple. We're going to have to try to punch us out a bonus. $6 back on that. Two more fast taps. Oh, that was a $125 ball. That mini's 100? Okay. We'll let it spin. Had 2 dolphins. We needed 3. $3 back on that spin. Alright, guys, we're going to change denoms. We're going to go down to 5 and we'll do some $1.25 spins for a little bit. Three more. Come on, Pearl. Show us some magic. 2 more. Oh, 3 more. Wait. Oh, or 1 dolphin. We almost had it, guys. This one's being stubborn today. Come on, dolphins. Look at all them wilds and it didn't line up. Alright, we're going to change that denom one more time. I'm going to go down to 1. We're going to do $1.50 bets. See if we can get us a bonus. $2.25 back on that one. Come on, 2 more. Just 2 more. Wow. This one does not want to give us a bonus today. Alright, one more time. I'm going to change that denom. We're going to bet 50 cents on 2 cents, which is $1. See if we played all denoms. See if any of them's lucky for us. Oh, we had 4, needed 6. We'll do a couple of fast taps. See if we can punch us out a bonus. Got us some wilds right there. Wow, this one is really stubborn today. Not 1 bonus. Alright, I'm gonna go back down. We're going to do some dollar spins for the last $10 and see if we can trigger a bonus. Come on, 2 more dolphins. Come on, 3 more. Come on, now we got it, guys. There we go. We just Just had to lower that bed a little bit. Whatever it takes. Alright, let's start this bonus. We're going to get 6 spins, and we want a pearl in that middle reel. Or another dolphin to get us some more games. That was a $40 one that just went by. Come on, give us that pearl. Got a little bit of fish right there. Give us that pearl. Or a dolphin or pearl. Last spin, guys. Alright, we got 860 back. We're going to keep on spinning. Got enough for about 8 more spins unless we can get us a bonus here. Come on. Oh, guys! Look at that! We got 2 10s plus the mini, that's 10, and 2 15s, 2 5s, and a 4. This is what I call a bust out. I know we got a little bit of money in this, but this is good. Alright, guys, 3 chances. Let's fill this thing up. Throw us that monitor down. Come on. Fit another $15 ball. Yes, throw that monitor down. Preferably the major, but we'll take anything. Last spin unless we get something, guys. Come on, drop us a pearl. Still, that's a dang good bonus, guys. Guys, we got our money back. With a little profit. Good deal. Guys, we're going to spin this a few more times, but I consider that a bust out on a dollar bet. We'll play it down to 100, and we'll end flat. And that's fine with me. Got us 70 cents on that one. 2 more spins. Alright, guys, we'll do one on 50 cents. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button if you like my videos. I'm going to see you soon, and once again, thanks HonWinz for all your support. I greatly appreciate you, and I know all the other slot channels do as well. Have a wonderful day.